Welcome, dear friends, to the biology class. Biology is a natural science that studies life and living organisms, which includes its physical structure, chemical processes, molecular interactions, physiological mechanisms, development, and evolution. All these processes are studied in the biology. Why study biology? The student want to pursue medical, they should have to study biology. Paramedical students should have to study biology. Then basic science students, that is the students wants to pursue degree in botany, zoology, microbiology, etc. They also wants to study biology. Agricultural students also needed biology. Biotechnology student and bioinformatics student, nanotechnology students also required biology for their study. NEET examination. What is NEET? NEET is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. It is formerly known as All India Pre-Medical Test or AIPMT. This test is useful for the student who want to do MBBS or dental, that is BDS. All the government as well as private medical colleges and dental colleges required NEET examination to qualify. NEET 2020 exam pattern. It is conducted by National Testing Agency and has 180 multiple choice questions. These multiple choice questions include physics for 45 marks, chemistry for 45 marks, and most important, that is biology for 90 marks. So you can easily understand that 50% of marks comes from the biology. Why start preparation of NEET at standard 11 only? The exam, that is NEET, will cover class 11 and class 12 syllabus from physics, chemistry and biology, and that is also from NCERT curriculum. 90% is similarity between state board and NCERT board books. So you can easily find that for NEET there is equal importance of class 11 along with class 12 syllabus. Why biology is very important for NEET point of view? If you go through the structure, you will find that physics is having 45 questions and maximum marks is 180. Chemistry is having 45 marks and having 45 questions and maximum marks is 180, while the biology has 90 questions and the maximum marks is 360. That is 50% of total marks comes from biology. And if you compare the subjects, physics is relatively tough, chemistry is moderately tough, but biology is very simple. So if you study NEET, you have to study biology very carefully, because 50% of marks comes from biology and your selection is much more depend upon the study of biology along with physics and chemistry. Next important thing is marking scheme. Marking scheme of the NEET examination is very important. it award 4 marks for correct answer and deduce 1 mark for incorrect answer. And that's why this test or NEET examination is considered as toughest examination in all over India, because there is a negative mark system which will create toughest part in this examination. Importance of 1 mark. Why 1 mark is very important in NEET? There is about 80,000 seats for MBBS, near about 25,000 seats for BDS, and near about 1,61,654 seats of all the medical background, and total number of students which are appear for the NEET from all over India is near about 16 lakh. So you can easily assume what is the importance of 1 mark. If you give a wrong question, then 1 mark will be deduced, and this 1 mark is equivalent to 20,000 students, and probably it will be very problematic, and your selection may get stopped due to this 1 mark. So consider the importance of 1 mark in NEET examination. Duration of the examination, that is, the duration is 3 hours and you have to attempt 180 questions, and these 180 questions are from physics, chemistry and biology. That means one question is equivalent to 1 minute, and if you consider that the toughest part of the examination, that physics questions are tough, much more tough, and it not be solved within 1 minute. So if you properly study the biology, that will give much more ahead of other students, so that you can easily cover 90 questions from this, and that will be within a time or less than that of the 1 minute. NEET at a glance. There are 180 questions. Mode is offline. Multiple choice questions are there. Physics, chemistry, biology is involved. Negative mark system is there. Duration is 3 hours, and marking scheme: correct answer 4 marks, incorrect answer 1 mark, and total score is 720. And if you consider that it is the merit or cutoff point will be near about 500. So for this examination, planning is important. Planning is the main step for the NEET examination. If you want to qualify NEET, you should have the planning, and for that planning you should know the strategy how to crack the NEET examination. First important, that is the NEET paper analysis for physics. If you see here, mechanics and electrodynamics are important in physics point of view, and particularly if you see, that is the physics is most difficult part in NEET examination. Lengthy questions and lengthy calculations are there, so there are the chances to get more and more time during solvation of the NEET paper, and that will be problematic in time manage point of view. Tip for this physics preparation is you have to consider the points to ponder, that is which is present in NCERT books. So NCERT books are important for the physics preparation. NEET paper analysis for chemistry. If you find that the chemistry paper is moderately difficult and 12 syllabus is more in NEET exam, organic chemistry has more questions than that of the inorganic chemistry, and if you find that tip, that is the chemical bonding and coordination bonds, these two topics has higher weightage in the examination. And also, to study the chemistry you have to study the NCERT books of 11 and 12 standard. Next, NEET paper analysis for biology, which is a very important part of NEET. If you see, biology is relatively easier. So, it has near about 11 and 12 syllabus, which is about 45 marks, and that will considered as simplest one. Maximum questions asked from NCERT books. So you have to study the NCERT books very carefully instead of referring books of different publications. Tip for this biology preparation is you have to focus on human physiology and genetics more, because these are the hot favorites of NEET examination. NEET biology syllabus includes diversity of living organisms, structural organization, cell structure, plant physiology and human physiology from 11 biology. From these, human physiology is very important. If you consider the syllabus from 12, that is reproduction, genetics and evolution, biology for human welfare, biotechnology, ecology and environment. From this, genetics and evolution is important. Chapter wise weightage of botany section in NEET 2020. If we considered what is important in NEET, no doubt all the topics are important, but some topics is very important. If you see the table, you will find that genetics and biotechnology contribute 15 questions, and it is near about 25% of the paper. So you have to focus on genetics and biotechnology, and this is the main planning of your NEET examination. If you see the chapter wise weightage of zoology section, you will find that human physiology has been asked for 13 questions from human physiology background, and it is near about 45% of the total paper. And if you look carefully in this, you will find that 45, that is near and equally near about 50%, and from that you can find that the human physiology is very important topic, or rather we can say that it is the hotspot for cracking the NEET examination. So you have to consider, or you have to study properly the human physiology for NEET examination. With this, I thank you all for patiently listening this lecture. Thank you.